no pressure, no sales pitch conversation. We want you to be certain that this is the right time for you to purchase. If it makes sense for you to do so, we can discuss what you're comfortable with on house payments so you know exactly what price range you're looking in. So what I'd encourage you to do is just have a quick phone consultation with us at no cost or obligation. Simply reach out to us at the number that you see on the screen. And you can either call us or text us. But let's set up a time for a 10-minute quick phone call so you can move forward in the home buying process. So there's no commitment whatsoever. You can move forward and access the helpful information you need, getting you the guidance you need, and determining if now is the right time for you to make your move. So reach out to us at the number you see here on the screen. We will have a free phone consultation with you, and I think you'll find it extremely helpful and educational, giving you a better understanding of how the home buying process can work for you and how to get access to the best homes available. Simply reach out to us now at the number below. You can call or text us, and let's make your moving dreams a reality.